I'm Lynn Maniotis, and I've been a salesperson at Panelbuilt for 20 years. The new project of the month was a unique catwalk system. This system, like so many others, required that the customer access equipment that was over 12 feet tall. For this, we were able to utilize 2 ladder systems, not only saving the customer a lot of money, but a lot of space. This catwalk was 45 feet long, powder-coated black, but using safety yellow handrails. This is a standard for catwalks and mezzanines. We were able to solve the customer's space needs and meet their budget. Give Panelbuilt a call today so you can get your project rolling.